Hello friends, how are you? As you can see this mobile verifying account problem, and this mobile model Symphony V98, and I want to remove this FRP. You can see here this mobile model Symphony V98, and first of all you have to insert in this mobile SIM in this mobile and connect battery. Do it. After that you have to power on this mobile Symphony V98. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and don't forget press bell icon. Guys, do it. This mobile is power on and it's working. So guys, now you have to press emergency call and use two finger emergency information. After that you have to click on pencil and add contact. Select any contact, allow. Select any contact, and after that click on profile. After that guys, you have to click three dot and share, and hold on message tab, click on F information, and after that SMS app. So now you have to scroll down and open links. Go in last YouTube and type icon YouTube. After that scroll notification, scroll down additional settings in the app and go in about. So guys, after you have to Google privacy policy, click on Google privacy policy and accept and continue, next, and no thanks. After that guys, Chrome browser is open now. You have to search this link, frpfile.com, frpfile.com / bypass. When you write, then click go and do it. And now guys, you have to download two applications. First of all, download Google Account Manager Android 8 and continue, hello, and okay. After that download bypass FRP 1.0 APK and okay. Now guys, click on three dot and go in download tabs. There are two applications downloaded, and now you have to download install Google Account Manager. After installing Google Account Manager now, then you have to install FRP bypass. Click done. FRP bypass application install, and then click open this application. Now guys, you have to click three dot and browse sign in, and now click OK. After that guys, you have to enter your Gmail. Have you created? Enter your personal Gmail or any, create new. And when you enter your Gmail, then click on next, and after that you have to input your password, and when you enter your password, then click sign in. It's signing now. Signing complete. Now you have to restart your mobile. Press power button and reboot this mobile. Click OK. It's starting now. To wait. It's working. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now guys, hi there, are back. Now start this step and just a second, do it guys. Checking for update. This may take a minute or two, and now you have to click setup as new. Just a second. Account added, next it, and getting account information. Do it. Not now. Escape anyway. So guys, and click no thanks, and more and more, and I agree, click no thanks. Adding finishing touches. This may take a minute or two. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And FRP bypass is removed now. You can see, just a second, it's working now. FRP bypass Google account removed now. So now I'm going to next video. Bye, be back later, see you and take care.